Maxxon Commercial Isolate is designed to create an isolating barrier to protect flooring systems from moisture vapor emissions, chemically abated slabs, and contaminants. These are the tools needed: chemical safety glasses or splash-proof goggles, protective gloves, NIOSH PSHA approved organic vapor respirator, 3/8 inch or larger high-speed power drill, a 5-gallon plastic helix epoxy paddle, a roller with a 3/8 inch nap phenolic core roller cover. Before starting, ensure building is at 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 24 hours. Remove water-based adhesives, mastics, glue, oil, grease, and coatings. Refer to the TDS for special instructions relating to below-grade applications and chemically abated floors. Treat perimeter seam, floor penetrations, and cracks with an improved crack filler. The slab is ready for isolate when the filler is dry to the touch. Isolate covers 150 to 160 square feet per gallon. We recommend laying out an application grid to ensure proper coverage. When mixing, open Part B can. Using a paint stick, scrape the bottom of the container and the corners to integrate remaining settled fillers. Use a power drill and plastic helix mixing blade to blend Part B in its own container to a smooth consistency. Once smooth, slowly add Part A to Part B and continue mixing until the mixture looks completely integrated as an even monolithic red liquid, typically 1 to 2 minutes. Using a roller, apply material into application grid or at a coverage rate of 150 square feet per gallon. Materials should roll on with a matte finish. If it looks glossy, the material needs to be mixed more. When applying 2 coats of isolate, the first coat needs to be dry and tack-free before applying the second coat, typically 4 to 6 hours. Note, if the product is left in the container for more than 10 minutes, use mixer blade for 15 seconds to reconstitute settled fillers. Wait until isolate is dry and tack-free before installing a Maxxon underlayment. Maxxon Commercial Isolate is your innovative solution for creating an isolating barrier and protecting concrete slabs.